What's going on, guys? It's Bart's Lunkers, and we are out here on a kayak using a canoe paddle because we forgot ours, so we had to borrow it from someone. But, shout out that person. Then we're on a lake. Obviously, I can't tell you what the lake is. Can't give away the secret locations, but gotta hit the coves and any of the shore edges, going for some nice largemouths. Hopefully we'll find like an 8 or 10 pounder, but you know, take whatever we can get today. Fighting a current right now, so it's a little bit annoying. But yeah, let's get into the fish. There we go, guys. First one on the day. There's one. Number 2, because I lost one. What's up, guys? Back in the truck here. So unfortunately we ran out of time. We only caught 2. Should have been 3 without a doubt. We had it on the edge of the boat, and the edge of the kayak, not really a boat, I guess, but yeah, he just got off his hook and away he went. It was unfortunate. He was probably the biggest of the 3 too, but it happens. That was one of my first time ever actually out on a kayak on that lake. So hopefully we'll be there a couple more times in the future. We know of a few good spots now. Yeah, I hope you liked the video. Make sure you subscribe if you aren't already, because as usual, you want to be in for that big giveaway that should be coming up shortly, I'd assume. And give this video a thumbs up, because it was a great video and I know you liked it. I enjoyed making it for you. So make sure you leave a thumbs up and drop comments about what you what kind of videos you want me to make, and they have to be fishing related, but I'll do my best to make them for you. All right, guys, I'll see you later.